Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Terraform. So what is Terraform and how we are going to use this effectively in real world cloud environment. So first talk about what is Terraform. So Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool, which is created by Harshikap, and Terraform is a tool where we can provision and manage the safely and effectively in cloud environment. In cloud environment, we can use the Terraform to build the services like AWS and Azure and Google Cloud and there are IBM Cloud. There are many services that we can use the Terraform to effectively build and provision the services. Okay, so how we exactly are going to use the what is mean by services? And if you look at AWS, we have multiple services available. Like EC2 and RDS and IAM management and EBS volume, EFS and S3. There is a bunch of services available. I think in AWS we have, I think 200 services available. In real world, these services effectively we are going to provision and build through Terraform only. So nothing is going to build anything manually. So everything has to write a code. So by using code, we are going to call the Terraform. Then it's going to deploy the service in cloud environment. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and start the install Terraform in EC2 server. How we are going to install? Okay, let me go to the browser. So just type to install Terraform. Then you can see download Terraform. If I scroll down a little bit, at the moment latest we have a 13 point available. That's the latest version. I think 14 also released. So at the moment 14 is still in development stage. So 13 is we can use for the go ahead and Harshikapan announced. We can use the 13 effectively. So let's go ahead and download. I'll go with the older version before. So it doesn't matter, but the slight difference between the Terraform 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 is the latest one. But effectively, every do download purpose, we can use the 13 available. Okay, let's go ahead and I'll use that 12. 12 you can use anyone. 12 many things either I'll go with 12.20. So let's go ahead and download the Terraform. So I can use this one. This is the Linux version. Copy link address. Okay, so I will download here wget. Oh, wget command is not available, so what I will do, I will install the wget. Yeah, I've installed the wget successfully. So now I'm going to download this one. Okay, we have downloaded the Terraform software local machine. So then after that, what I will do, I will try to unzip this zip file. Oh, sorry, unzip also not available. Again, install the unzip. uh, install unzip. Yeah, I have installed unzip as well. Now let's run the let's unzip the Terraform. Now you can see Terraform unzipped successfully. You can see now there is a one folder called. This is not a folder. This is something like a file. So Terraform. This we cannot go inside. We cannot go inside. Just for it's not a directory anymore. Just for file. So if I enter here this one, so you can see Terraform successfully installed. So what I will do, so to make it everything, let me set the environment for the Terraform, how we are going to set the environment. So what I will do, LL, what I will do, I'm going to copy this one into the Terraform to user has been user local bin. So if I enter the Terraform now, let's enter this one. Which Terraform? Okay, things seems environment not set properly. CD user local bin yes bin. Yeah, I think this is the environment. So we need to set. Sorry guys. Let me go back and copy again. So what I will do, I'm going to copy into the again this file to uh, rather than bin, we need to copy s bin. Now if I run the Terraform, we can set the environment. Now we have it. So now if I enter which Terraform, so it's going to show the user local. That's the environment. we are going to set the environment. So we don't want, if I delete this one, Terraform locally, so we don't want this one anymore. If I remove this, we don't want to bother about them. If I, even if I enter Terraform also, we can see. So we have set the okay, we have successfully set the environment for the Terraform now. Now what I will do, I'm going to let's go ahead and uh, deploy the one-off services by using Terraform. So what we'll do here, okay, let's go ahead and go to the AWS console. First, I want to create one EC2 instance. Then how we are going to create the EC2 instance? If okay, let me go ahead and okay, just search in the Google Terraform create EC2 instance. EC2 is the one of the services for AWS. Okay, if I click this one, there is Ashika provide the document for us where we have a syntax. We don't want to worry about them. We just want to use the syntax, and on the top of that, if you want to add extra services, we can go ahead and add it. Okay, if I go ahead and scroll down, okay, there is something called provider. Okay, before going to provider, so we need to make a connection between your local machine to AWS. So in that case, what we'll do, we are going to create one IAM user. Let's go ahead and create one of the IAM user. Let's go to the IAM user. Okay. So I'm going to create one user called like Terraform. Okay. Then I want to programmatic access. There is a two ways. One is for the AWS console access. One is for the programmatic. So, I want from programmatic. So if I create the user by using programmatic access, they will get it as a secret key and access key for us. So what I will do, I'll use this one. So basically, why we want programmatic access? If you want to use the any SDK for the CLI command to provision the services or to call the service or something. So we can use the programmatic service. When you create a service, it will get access key and secret key. Okay, let's go ahead and create this one. So here, okay, when you create a user, the user has to attach some kind of policy. So policy means the particular user whose service want to access. Access means whether it could be read only, whether it could be admin access. So in Terraform, basically, I want admin access. Why? Because if you want to deploy any services, the admin only can do. Developer and read only access really doesn't help for us. So what I will do, I'm going to policy. Okay, let's go ahead and try with the full access. If we enter the full here, okay, there is a, if we scroll down here, AWS, not full, sorry, admin access, I think. Okay, admin access, if you can see on the top of that. So this is the admin access means we are going to administrator access. So administrator access can do everything. Okay, let's go ahead and attach this one. Doesn't require tags. Okay, let's go ahead and create a user. Okay, if I create a user, I'll get a access key and secret key. Okay, so secret key and access key. Even you can download also locally. Okay, let's go ahead and uh, configure here. Okay, so there is a two ways to basically we can configure the access key and secret key. One is we can set up a profile, we can declare manually also. Okay, how we are going to first uh, there is a two. Let me go ahead and